Next cylinder. Cylinder just like that cone definition மாதிரியே தான் இருக்கும் இதுவும். Cylinder is a surface generated by a straight line which is parallel to fixed line and satisfies one more condition. It may intersect with a given curve called a guiding curve. Pathina, so this is a fixed line vechukken. So this is a generator line. This is parallel to the given line. It may intersect with the guiding curve. So this curve is called what? The guiding curve. So this is the cylinder. Right? Cylinder is nothing but what? A surface generated by a straight line which is parallel to a fixed line. So this fixed line is called what? Axis, and satisfies one more condition. It intersects with a given curve, so that is called the guiding curve. That is a cylinder. Right? So find the equation of a cylinder whose generating lines have the direction cosines L, M, N and which pass through the circumference of the fixed circle x square plus z squared equal to a squared in ZOX plane. Right? To take let P x1, y1, z1 be any point on this cylinder. Right? So this is a generator. So what will be the equation of the generator? Yes, let P be an any point x1, y1, z1 on this generator. So equation is nothing but what? X minus x1 by L. So L, M, N are what? The direction cosines. You know the point and the direction cosines. So this is the formula. So passing through the point x1, y1, z1 and having the direction ratios L, M, N is nothing but x minus x1 by L, y minus y1 by M equal to z minus z1 by N. So this equation 1, the generator cuts the given curve, right? So equation 1 cuts the given curve x squared plus z squared equal to a squared. Take it as equation 2 and ZY plane. So that means y equal 0. So you take it as 3. You substitute y equal to 0 in 1. Substitute y equal to 0 in 1. What will get? X minus x1 by L equal to y is 0. So minus y1 by M equal z minus z1 by N. We take these two. What is x? X minus x1 by L equal to minus y1 by M. We cross multiply it. So x equal x1 minus L y1 by M. Right? And compare these two. Y minus y1 by M equal to z minus z1 by N. We cross multiply it. So z equal z1 minus n y1 by M. Right? We substitute these two values in 2. Right? What will get? So from 2 x squared, so that is x1 minus L y1 by M the whole square plus z square z1 minus n y1 by M the whole square equal to a square. Simplify it. So you take LCM. So mx1 minus ly1 by M the whole square plus z1 minus ny1 z1 M by M the whole square equal a square. So therefore mx1 minus ly1 the whole square plus mz1 minus ny1 the whole square equal to a square m square. Let x1, y1, z1 be any point on the generator. Therefore the locus of the curve is given by, what is that, mx minus ly the whole square plus mz minus ny the whole square equal to a square m square. So which is the equation of the required cylinder, right? So right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder, so which is also a surface generated by a straight line which is parallel to a fixed line and also at a constant distance from that fixed line, right? For example, like so this is a fixed line. This is a generator which is parallel to the fixed line and it's also a constant distance. Constant distance. This constant distance is called the radius of the cylinder. The constant distance is radius of the cylinder. So it is nothing but what? A right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder is a surface generated by a straight line which is parallel to a fixed line and also a constant distance from this fixed line, right? This is called a right circular cylinder. This constant distance is called the radius of the cylinder. Clear? The radius of a normal section of a right circular cylinder is 2 units. That means what? The radius of the cylinder. The axis lies along the straight line x minus 1 by 2 equal to y plus 3 by minus 1 and z equal to z minus 2 by 5. So this is the equation of the axis and the radius of cylinder is nothing but what? This distance. The constant distance is nothing but the radius of the cylinder. So this is 2 units and this equation is given, right? So I have to find out the equation of this cylinder, right? So let P be any point on this cylinder x, y, z. This is the generator, right? So this the axis is passing through the point A. So what is that point now? The equation of the line is what? X minus 1 by 2 equal to y plus 3 by minus 1 equal to z minus 2 by 5. Therefore, the axis passing through the point (1, minus 3 and 2), right? The general formula is one, any line passing through the point x1, y1, z1 is nothing but what? X minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. This a, b, c are the direction ratios, right? So this is a straight line passing through the point x1, y1, z1 and having the direction ratios a, b, c. So here this 1, minus 3, 2 are the points x1, y1, z1 and 2, minus 1, 5 are the direction ratios. The direction ratios are 2, minus 1 and 5. Whenever the direction ratios are given, so we can find out the direction cosines. This is nothing but, so 2 by root of the sum of the squares of this. Well, gets 4 plus 1 plus 25, so 30. So minus 1 by root 30, then 5 by root 30. So these are direction cosines of this axis. Right? So this is an axis, right? Okay. So we have to find out this AP and AM, and PM is known. So PM is perpendicular to this axis, right? So we have to find out this value. What is AP? So the A is nothing but what? The axis is passing through this point. Okay, I'll take this A as 1 minus 3 2. 1 minus 3 2 is the axis passing through that point, right? Let P be any point on the cylinder. So AP is nothing but the distance between these 2 points, right? What is AP? So AP equal square root of x minus 1 the whole square plus y plus 3 the whole square plus z minus 2 the whole square, right? What will be the drs of this AP? That is x minus 1 comma y plus 3 and z minus 2. So these are drs, right? Then this AM is nothing but the projection. PM is perpendicular to AM, right? So draw a line. So draw PM perpendicular to AM, right? So AM is nothing but projection of AP on. So AM equal. So projection of AP on AM, so which is nothing but, so there is a formula. Whenever the drs and direction coefficients of this are known, that is the product. So x minus 1 into 2 by root 30 plus y plus 3 into minus 1 by root 30 plus z minus 2 into 5 by root 30, right? And PM equal to 2. So now this is a right angle triangle. So therefore what? AP squared equal AM squared plus PM squared, right? We substitute this values. What is AP? This squaring it, x minus 1 the whole square plus y plus 3 the whole square plus z minus 2 the whole square equal to PM square. AM square, square this. What is it? X minus 1 by root 30 minus y plus 3 by root 30 then plus 5 into, so 2 into, so 5 into z minus 2 by root 30 the whole square plus PM square is 4, right? Now simplify it, we get root 30 is LCM, so 2x minus 2, so minus y minus 3 plus 5z minus 10 the whole square plus 4. So then now 2x minus y plus 5z, so minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, so minus 15 the whole square by 30 plus 4. In the left hand side என்ன இருக்கு? X minus 1 the whole square plus y plus 3 the whole square plus z minus 2 the whole square. So after simplifying it, so you may get this answer. So after simplifying this, you may get this answer: 26x square plus 29y square plus 5z square plus 4xy plus 10yz minus 20xz plus 150y plus 30z plus 75 equal to 0. So which is the equation of the required cylinder, right? So find the equation of the circular cylinder having for its base the circle x square plus y square plus z squared equal to 9, x minus y plus z equal to 3. So what will be the equation of this axis? So these are the center of the sphere, right? Take this O is the center of the sphere. What is that? The center of the sphere is the origin, right? And radius is 3. So this is 3. And this point is 0, 0, 0. So this is the equation of the plane. This is x plus x minus y plus z equal 3. This axis is passing through this point, the origin, and perpendicular to this plane, right? So equation of axis. So equation of the axis is 1. So x by 1 equal to y by minus 1 equal to z by 1. The passing through the point 0, 0, 0. This is a straight line. The formula is 1, x minus x1 by L or A, y minus y1 by M equal to z minus z1 by N. This x1, y1, z1 are the origins, the passing through the origin, right? This AB, that is ABC, are the direction ratios. So from this equation, AX plus BY plus CZ plus D equal to 0. So these ABC are nothing but the DRs of this normal. So normal is an axis, right? Therefore the DRs are 1, minus 1, 1. So x1, y1, z1 are 0, 0, 0. This ABC are 1, minus 1, 1. So therefore the equation of the axis is x by 1, y by minus 1, z by 1, right? And then this OL. So OL is nothing but 1. So OL is nothing but perpendicular distance from origin to the plane, x minus y plus z equal to 3. What will be the perpendicular distance now? What is that? So minus 3 by root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus or minus, which is equal to what? Root 3. So OL equal to root 3. So this OA is 3, that is the radius of the sphere. And what is LA? So LA is R, right? So LA equal to, what is that? So LA squared equal to OA squared plus, minus OL squared, right? So this is 9 minus OL is root 3 squared is 3, so it is equal to 6. So LA equal to root 6. So therefore R equal to root 6, right? That is radius of the cylinder, right? So now we have to find out this. So OP squared equal to OM squared plus PM squared, just like the previous problem, right? So the DRs of OP are what? X minus 0, Y minus 0 and Z minus 0, right? Then OM is nothing but projection of OP on OM, right? Which is nothing but what? The projection is nothing but what? The direction cosines of OM are what? 1 by root 3. So DRs of OM. So DRs of OM equal to 1 minus 1, 1, right? What will be the direction cosines? 1 by root 3. So DCs are 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Therefore the projection is nothing but x into 1 by root 3 plus y into minus 1 by root 3 plus z into plus 1 by root 3. So this is OM. Therefore OM equal to x minus y plus z by root 3. So in this triangle, so OP squared equal to, so OM squared plus PM squared. So OP squared is nothing but distance between these 2 points. So x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals OM squared is x minus y plus z by root 3 the whole square. So PM is R, so R square. What is R? the LA, that is root 6. That is root 6 squared is 6. We simplify it. So x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 2xy minus 2yz plus 2xz by 3 plus 6. So you take LCM. So 3x squared plus 3y squared plus 3z squared. So minus x squared minus y squared minus z squared plus 2xy plus 2yz minus 2xz minus 18 equal to 0. We simplify 2x squared plus 2y squared plus 2z squared plus 2xy plus 2yz minus 2xz minus 18 equal to 0. We divide by 2. X squared plus y squared plus z squared plus xy plus yz minus xz minus 9 equal to 0. So which is the equation of the required cylinder, right?